Elites them for inside Fako Division, Southwest Region, they beg from governor just now. Say may they look inside problem for land where people they take them, sell them anyhow. They say if they no look out, maybe the way they happen for Southwest and Northwest, it go a war. For Sika say young boy them from Fako, them say they don't turn up strong on top of their land inside Torito for this afternoon. We go take una turn back, we take una go for place where they call them same Manu Division. Now for that side, so for Manu Division, for Manfe side, Southwest Region, for talk, as we be people them, they don't build some 3 bridges where they be chakaram, for sake of this problem for Northwest and Southwest, they don't give them back for people them for acquire. We go to hear, waiting with the chief and even mayor for that side, they talk for we. Torito for this afternoon, he go talk na the waka with the deal for inside Bangam, Idi Duam, with the ESF say this afternoon. Dio, it did for that side, so from door for go see waiting they happen. Sabi say one of the big thing them where the worry people them from door. It been at this palava for boy that with gone where they use or cross from Mongo, they cross from Southwest, enter for inside door where it dey for under Mongo Division. Now so too we go take una we enter from Canberra na die body for some woman where they meet up for corner some water where the yes say the woman in the cell na kanda. Just now people they never fit for talk wait will happen but doctor them in the show doctor their report in the talk say this so when they only kill the woman na kill am die body for this woman it dey for inside co-house for hospital for that side. So for Cambe latest update for corona we go bring am for now this afternoon. Now so too we go talk small Damba and even chapter for Palapala as we see am for inside we country newspaper day and even case for person loss. We go bring am big people them talk this afternoon. Country people editor we say any person he gets his own posh belly. I say any person he get his own posh belly. So now you can say waiting when you see some person with belly in the posh, make you no laugh am. I say any person he get his own time for posh belly. So when you see another person he get his own, make you no laugh on top the matter. Big people them talk. E come out now for Abiracho Emmanuel Alakuma inside Bamenda. We return back small time. We strong number them country people. We go start now for Boya and Boya problem. Now this problem for land for that side. So for Boya, we the elites them for Fako in particular, they don't turn up. They talk one mob for Sika say waiting. They say plenty zone them. They dey for inside Boya we normal people they no be even get for buy land for day. We get GRA class quarters and even federal quarters where they no be ever get for sell land for day. But just now you want enter for all the places where they say na Ngomna if you get for the local time na people that don't get land for day. Konak if you don't give invite for all people them for Boya town one day they get land where they no get book for Boya station federal quarters even for a GRA class quarters lower farms upper farms and even a side where they call them say up station for Boya the Boya fuel plantation just about governor's office and even the place where a president house a palace for Boya postal institute and even place where they call them guest house plus warders barrack Boya regional hospital and government practicing school for Moliko side where people them they don't buy and build plenty house them for day. Konak is a made they come with the book where they show say that them get proof and even the permit and receipt where they so they pay them. And just now if you get for look some of this photo them you go see say people that don't build for inside some place them like federal quarters where normal they say na place when Gomna be get for get na only land them from Gomna when I work people them they get for shidon for day. Now we get private house and so the day inside the federal quarters they ask question how this private house them the money enter for day even place where they call them class quarters the same and land them where they day where they don't sell them where they no be get for sell all the one them so called the people them nothing that way don't provoke and the Fako elites them they don't talk even as we Konak he don't talk he own on top this matter they talk say if Ngomna he no look out on top this problem for land small time now they use them inside Fako they go turn up against Gomna for some land them for Sika say waiting they say them say they come back for their own land, for their own village, for build house. They no get space. When people themselves, they don't carry all the land them. So just now, people them for Fako, they don't turn up. And Sabi Seb say Konak, he go start for make this investigate. But the big thing where they worry the people them for Fako, now say plenty of the people them where they for back this land, the way they don't sell and plenty, according to the Fako elite them. Now so the people them when governor he don't send and say me they can't look at the people them. Now them they sell the land and people they be any kind of way, even on top Guataho, place where motor be get or water get for pass, they don't block them. So all that one them so now the thing that way they provoke these people them for Fako just now. As so talk, we get special 111. We go continue for talk on top this matter. Barrister Ngongi will be one of the lead barrister them on top this problem. We on top the waka, the Tiwe Konak, it already start for Dua.
Although they do a bit late. Konak they want for try for fine now because they don't see now say this problem for Fako, it will become a very serious problem. I'd like to just start do something about them. Although I wonder how far they go, but make we give them the benefit of doubt. Konak the ones sabi how people they get land for Fako. Whether it be Tifame or you be buy for Timai Tifame, they go sabi. Because if you buy something with man Tifa, that no be a thing anymore. Because the Tifam, it no be correcting. So Konak go make this investigation. Then I think he go send the report for presidency, for their president. So we don't find them for Fako. Some people they thief land, they sell them, make them give that people the land back, and make them punish that people they thief. So if you buy land for Fako, and you know say you buy them for man with thief, make you hurry go move that land, move am for your hand, go give them back. Because it will catch you. Because if you get till the thief, you to be thief man. That's number one. But if you get the land properly, you know thief. If you sure say that land, you get and so it can't for your papa or your grandpapa, your grandpapa, your papa or your mommy. You feel sure say it come down from your family. That will be problem.
Yes, Barrister Ngongi, where he talk for we on top this problem for land for Fako, and he don't talk. Say if Ngomna, he not take the matter serious. Maybe till it happen for inside Southwest and Northwest, it go small. When they picking them to for Fako, they turn up, say they want their land them back.
If you look for Fako today, most people that own land for this Fako now not be Fako people. That's a serious problem. Go for Moliko, so stranger them. Go for my four, so stranger them. Go for Idina, so stranger them. Go for every place for Fako, that's so stranger them own land. Go for GRA, you don't go see Bakwe put there. You don't go see Fako put there. That's a problem. Because we all picking them, they need this land. They need this land. What's that they go? For Marwa? From Kambe? We don't go sell them 1 inch of land? For Bafusam? No. We picking them. Make them know say they get future. You know say they get land. Because if they don't get land tomorrow, the problem will go be for this Fako. It will pass the way there for serving Cameroons now. It will pass them. Because we picking them, they start wake up. They don't take the rubbish with their parents and be taken, they sit down quiet and they fear. Picking all the fear this time. They start wake up. So it be good to make government they pay attention to this problem. Now only for Fako for this whole country where everybody they can thief land go except the indigenous. And they can't use their power, their money they don't thief for government, can't thief land for Bakwe people. You got to stop. And this show the Molongo will wake up. The Molongo for Bakwe now, very, very powerful set. You know they come on anyhow. That will help them come out there, they for that plantation where they thief behind parliamentary flat. The next statement for them. Make people that they thief land for Bakwe and be on notice. And make government take this very seriously, make them stop this thief. Otherwise, when the thing it will explode, we don't go feel control them anymore.
Yes, Barrister Ngongi, on top this problem for land, so he don't talk, he gets area them, like government bilingual or government practicing school for Moliko, where they'd already start enter. Maybe we'll go turn back on top that image and the country fashion will be passed for that side, so where we'll meet up tomorrow. Now, on top this problem too, we remain for Southwest, now for that side, so for Akwaya, where we don't enter. Now, uniform people themselves have that, where they go fix bridge, we hear say the bridge, they come Chakara. So this problem for Northwest and Southwest, they continue. They talk saying avoid them. With the gun with the come Chakara, the bridge. So uniform people themselves have, they don't take their time. With the ESA, they don't fix at least 3 bridges for that side. So for Akwaya, we motor them. They no be fit for pass. And it be the make them to say even population, it no be fit for waka fine. Make we show now the new bridge, some of the bridge them with the uniform people, they don't fix them for that side. So for inside Akwaya, now one of them this, where they don't just come up comot for make am. They did them 3 as we to re-enter for we EM, and at the uniform people them under the lookout for their big man. Now we they do all the bridge them. So total 3 of them as we to really enter we here, and it be then a one way DO and even mayor. All them be come out for glad with the work with the uniform people they don't do even population set for inside the different village where they fix the bridge them 3 all them to they be glad. We'll turn back for that chapter tomorrow, but just now make we hear wait with the paramount chief for Akwa Yam. He talk for we microphone.
Where government don't do it today for build back bridges where they will be destroyed. Now a great step forward for peace in this country, because people they want a development. And I want to talk say when the army they do it shows say army they really cry for the peace. Say me peace come. But as a member of the House of Chiefs for Akwa Yam, I beg government say me no stop, because Akwa Yam man no get roads. The road for Akwa Yam go Manfe, Akwa Yam, Manfe Takmanda, we there for Akwa Yam. Now the thing where government give to do now, and that peace it will come natural.
Yes, Paramount Chief for Akwa Yam people them for side for Manfe for Manu Division. The mayor inside Akwa Yam too, he talk for we microphone.
Give hope for people back. No say government deal with them, and at least the say they don't abandon as they say they made it be take some time before government as business can do and now urgent, and this population is happy.
We take on just now. We enter for different side country people them from Banga for Mongo Division. Divisional officer, he don't continue Iwaka for inside a zone, and this time he gonna arrive on Tomongo Bridge. Sabi say train you know the fee for pass again for year now for Ndor Beach and Ndor as we they call am where it is so we no day at all from here where people that they cross enter for southwest for inside Kumba side, and now for here where they talk say boy then they use so waka to pass enter for Ndor, then thief people them go hide them as we to re-enter for we here. So just now DO from Banga after we don't change date, he changed date for this Iwaka for inside the place where they call them saying door. It don't last go there for try for go follow up for see wait the happen, and Sabi say one of the big thing now say the population for day you know one for see different person for come she don't like chief where the chief says he don't talk and he complain for the DO where in the Waka just now will the talk for that side of on door. Now from Banga for Mongo Division we out in the past country people them make we try for here wait the chief for inside Ndor he talk for we man Gaston Masso.
My difficulty as I know for the moment and through which way they give me like explanation now because since they appoint me for 2012 I never be steady for village. People they never understand the kind man why they which you are like and which you are not like. But the only problem we at the face I'm not say some people that they hear where they feel say as Balong they don't bring me for ya when I be the first chief traditional chief ruler for this village because my predecessor they been a waterhead. So Balong they don't send me for ya no for can seize all farms them for people their hand. Where it make them that they grumble all time. They feel say no be na Balong be supposed to be chief for ya, they be supposed to give them for stranger man. It be like say now stranger people they get this territory. It be like say this territory not belong for some tribe. Now why that inside my welcome speech I tell you say people they feel say this place be there now no man's land.
Now the chief in Ndor Sabi say be no the fee for shidon for village plenty time for Sika say one time the boy that they enter and he too he say be hate but he want turn back for village. But one of the thing wey happen for Dre Waka now this motor for gendarme wey tight for roads country people them motor for gendarme tight he make them to Dre motor to be get for turn up and DO to be get for wait for Sika say now the gendarme people then the uniform people them where they be the follow up for see all kind of style with the uniform people they take am for push this their motor wey e tight as wey dem be dey go for that side. So for door e no be waka. Sabi say na just one of the big problem dem this wey the village people dem for side for Ndor dey get am, and the gendarme motor sef wey e tight, wey gendarme people dem say struggle for Chapia Road for say make e comot. That one too e take dem plenty time. So deal as wey don see the one too e get for sabi say one thing wey dey get for make am for say make thing dey waka fine for people dem for Ndor na this road wey e hold gendarme motor so for one place for plenty hours before last they turn so they come out. So them too they beg say fine as wey the motor tight. That one too e go surely show you say people them from door they need better road them wey they fit carry their chop too, take and go for Banga easy. Sabi say door plenty of them na people the way they dey na for inside farm work, and plenty they be na cocoa farmer them. So na just one of their big problem that, and it happen to na for before DO wey na motor for gendarme e tight for one place. We go take una enter from Cambe country people them for that side. So now for some popular water side where they stock send some small picky where they wash clothes, e wan only wake up continue for go dry clothes, e meet up na die body. For some woman where they don't kill am throw am for corner that water for side from Cambe. SDO where they call it Professor Simon Quenti from Cambe side. He says we go there with uniform people them and doctor, and the first report wey come out from doctor them it show say na people them where they kill the woman then they throw it for corner. Plenty they sabi the woman, they say na woman wey dey so it is say Kanda for that side, so for inside the village, and plenty people then just now they never fit for talk wait till we really pass. They only come it up na the die body for day, and with the hear say after they finish look the die body na doctor themselves they talk say na with the force where they use am kill the woman. Plenty cry every day, and SDO for Cambe or Dongamantum side e don't talk say make the people they no cry, say they go find a way continue for make investigate for see who and sabi the person wey he killed this woman, then he throw am for down that side for corner water for inside this village. Country people them as we tori enter for inside we here. For inside Yawende, now one of the people them that way they catch am where they talk say they make fake identity card for that side. So for Yawende, now police people them for number 5 district station where they catch this man where he did deny as we tori enter for we here. The first person where they catch am country people them now the man where they uti black. As well as the CE, as well the commissioner for inside the 5th district police station for that side. So for inside here when they talk for we. Now that first man with the cash am for CSU Quartam where they cry, no be get identity or they be checky, they can discover say again a fake identity for skin. Now for the way after plenty investigate, he called out that friendly name where they call it Aliyu. Now so to they go cash Aliyu. Then Aliyu too, he show the number 3 person where he dey inside the main man when I fix all the thing. Aliyu the talk say since he make his own identity card, police he never give am so now. So he no do any fake. Now machine them that where they meet up am for the main man, even stamp them for all kind big people them inside country plus computer where they meet up am inside these people them house, or the main person when I dey in charge for make fake identity card. Another one now after where they go for the money house itself for that side. So for Yawende they search now for the way they come out all that in them. Sabi say identity card it don't strong over. So people them they don't start for use their heads, they make na fake one for outside. Big man for police for 5th district for Yawende he don't beg say make population it take time even as waiting that the wrong, make them try for follow the way waiting that the pass so that they no go enter inside trap where then say they no go fit for come out. So now fake thing them that's where they don't already do where police people them they show for inside Yawende as we tori enter for we EM country people them. Inside chapter for our uniform work, we remain when a custom people them for that side for Limbe where they don't cash 1,100 kilogram for wrapping paper and 750 bottle them for Malta. Now mimbo that way it be the enter for inside Limbe for nyati style. There no be one respect. Custom people them and be the show. Say they be using mimbo for height that wrapping paper them before the custom people then catch, and so sabi say all them it deal with the custom people them for that side for Limbe. For inside Yawende side country people them now some 5 people there where they don't catch them as we tori gree enter for we ear. Them 5, they catch there with tele, that BB tele, we wanna the siam, banga to be there for corner, and they talk say the boy them, they don't do what in, with the thief people them, according to way gendarme people then say they come out report, they talk for we. So just now, all the 5 boy them, they did for back counter, for inside gendarme, them office, for sites, for Yawende. Inside a place where they call them say waiting, Loom Chantier country people them. Wanna sabi say will be taken now, we be talk on top this matter for Loom Chantier on a Tuesday for inside Aduala for Mongo division where the people that they cry say dirty, now way they worry them, it kill them. Plenty time they don't try for meet up a mayor. But mayor say he hand over tight, he hand tight, where he no fit do something for now for Sikase Mono, he never enter. Even as we decentralize, they talk say they don't give mayor some more power. So now they mayor them, they never fit forget power. Small do where they expect say Ngomna, he go say nam. So now Mono he never enter for the mayor them hand. So now where the mayor don't beg, say make the people them for different quarter then check sense as well them say they fit make their own development for their quarter. So Loom Chantier side now the development committee two way she done he join money he say down for them for the suffer inside dirty now we all kind of sick malaria cholera and even koro he dey for outside made them she done they look out their own self down for say that the way say council he go come where the council no go ever come. So now the people that say they don't decide find caterpillar say may they come out or dirty them even try for say as well they go put them for some one place then they continue for follow up on top this dirty matter. Make we hear some of them talk for microphone for Jackie Nomolo.
The beg we do action because we don't see say government not fit work human say Mary not fit work human that because that make so nothing make say we begin for quartier we don't just for make this for move all this dirty or the hamburger for quarter dirty don't too much for quarter. Now we don't join for move farm. So that dirty get sick, they give more sick for all picking for us them, for family in them. Now thing we don't make say and mobilization all people for quartier for move all this.
Mayor, no fit do all thing. Don't put hand for the mayor on them. Maybe fish the quarter, maybe so how will the champ so how would I see coach quarter don't come out because now hand how is there for us so. That dirty it be surplus we should go to the same too. That from like I say 60 ans that dirty dey. No more no get that mean ba. Des autres c'est décentralisation. Hein? Ouais, on a the same too. On a eu tout des same. If big man la Kalamban, they for the quarter. No pour hand for mayor so. That you go in so for each attack. Dirty go so Hamburg.
We tell the beg we do
Inside Tico for Fako division, country people them, Tico town Greenfield, it don't turn a place where if you put your small trap, you cash and grumpy for day, country people them. Now feed away Tico United in those days where they be used to play for Elite 1 for Cameroon, they play, but just now, the whole field for Tico, now grass it don't grow for day, they don't abandon the field just there, when a place where the people themselves for Tico and even Elite them, they fix for inside a country here for say making Damba he continue for play. So just now people them for inside Tico subdivision they the back say make the one the way they turn a fine where their own e better may they try for see as way they go help for fix back this Tico town Greenfield where it be don't fair be some field where Tico United it be the use and play. Just now even in person kick ball for inside bush sometimes them you people that stop match for more than 30 minutes for say say they define ball where it don't fall for inside bush only for say waiting bush it don't cover the whole field where na field where people them they be used for the nag number for day now they launching that for Fako League as well as the CRA starts but it no be easy grass for all corner as well when the CR. Make we enter for Corona just now. According to the latest update to get 132,447 people, 47,475 people them. The total Corona sick people inside the whole world, 75,210,168 people they don't well for the whole world, and 2,873,334 people that don't die since Corona. It come latest update where it come out from John Hopkins University. This number 7 day for April other country there where they give their country people them tori concerning this corona. We go start for Ivory Coast. Ivory Coast on Tuesday, they say na 13 people there where they test them positive for corona. 692 people them well, no person no be die. On top sick bed, 1,468 people them get the sick. Sabisep say inside the same chapter, 44,854 people then they don't catch corona for Ivory Coast since we enter for them. 43,130 people them they do already well, and 256 people that don't die for Ivory Coast since corona he enter for inside Ivory Coast. Nigeria, Buhari country, 58 people that were they test them positive on Tuesday since corona enter day. 163,388 people that don't catch the sick, 153,630 people that don't well, and 2,058 people that already die according to number them where they give for we. South Africa as we they give on Tuesday, 437 people them where they test them with corona for their skin, but since corona enter South Africa, 1,552,855 people they already catch corona. 1,478,820 people they don't already well, and 53,032 people them don't die since corona it touched people them for South Africa. And we go take on a talk. We don't talk say when picking he wash and he fine he clean he go chop with big people them for one place. Francis Ngannou won at the CM after he win that belt for heavyweight for inside UFC. Mike Tyson where he says he don't do this serious palapala, he don't meet up Francis Ngannou, he don't talk for he congratulate, and he says he glad plenty say na African people then say we they sabi the secret for win am. He says he take the belt, he tie am for his waist. He say yes, he say glad and he congratulate Francis Ngannou for that belt way he win am for inside UFC where they call am Ultimate Fighting Championship. So Mike Tyson too, he don't go give congratulate for Francis Ngannou. For chapter for Ndamba, before we come out for talk case for announce this afternoon, we woman team it already land for a Turkey for that side, so for Antalya. Now for the way we woman team they go play their own qualifier for this Olympic Games where they come. Sabisep say the woman team he go play against Chile. Two match where they go play against with them against Chile inside Antalya, and Sabisep say the best way go win the match now way he go play, go for Olympic Games for that side, so for Tokyo as we Tori enter for we here and go just see small as we the woman team they train one time where they be land for Antalya. The team he prepare and they already start for train for Antalya as we they get for play against Chile. Sabisep say according to Tori we enter for we here for the 25 player them we coach he carry and go for Antalya Turkey. It show say waiting 10 of the player them the woman them they play the Ndamba for one man country, and 15 of them they play Ndamba for inside we country. So just now they prepare against Chile and they get for play with Chile 2 times for Sabi who he go cross for play Olympic Games for the woman Ndamba where it ever be part for Olympic Games. Sabi say na Tokyo it began for happen since 2020, but corona it can't worry in them, so naturally this year where the thing it go happen. Case for person wey don lost this afternoon, we go turn back for this speaking where e face no be overshine sef, but in name Epote Megan wey e don lost, and Madam Lunga Rita e dey beg any man wey don see this pikin for road, even as wey the photo no over clear. If you just see any of this person wey just resemble the pikin, you fit take am, you report am for any police or gendarme office wey e dey for corner, or you bring am for Tori house. If no be so, number for before tele as well wanna see 671-352-390 677-493-526. Now number that wey if you use am for call the family for talk say you don't see their pikin, they say dash it dey wait you. Big salute and happy birthday for you, Ma Roslyn Bawak Nenjikan, where you get birthday this number 7 day for April. Happy birthday for you, Roslyn as Bawak for that side, so for Yawende. Thank you plenty for Innocent Abega we put camera for my before. Thank you Francis Boyom, Malice and Nadine we all man join hand for Semetori Waka Fine. We go meet up when knock 8 o'clock for morning time on Thursday, if Papa God agree. Una hold am tight.
Equinox Télévision au